probably remember that we used to go to this show like 4 years ago. Every year we'd go. It's once a year they do like big open house where they show the process of all the wheels. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of the HRE. I'm actually gonna be the host this year. Normally for the last like 5, 6, 7 years, whatever it's been, Matt Farah has been the host. This year they asked me to come and be the host, and I was super, super honored. Kevin and I are firing up the Ferrari, and we are going down to spend some time at the HRE open house. Everywhere.
Copperino.
Just cops everywhere.
Cop here and there.
Oh, sorry, officer. I didn't see you there. I was like, why is everyone like being calm all of a sudden? And there's cops posted everywhere.
Every corner. Like, there's another one right there.
Well, dude, when they used to do the show, when they used to like end it, people would just drag race down the street. Do you remember that?
Yeah. One. Oh. TJ, chill. You gotta chill.
Good.
Oh, what's up?
Ooh. I love me some good McLarens, Teach.
I haven't been to this show in a couple years, and it's definitely grown. Just the scale of what's here has grown dramatically. Okay. So essentially the premise of the open house is to one, show how all the HREs are made, because everything is made in-house and everything is made local to San Diego, which is awesome because it's like our hometown.
That wheel that's going around, the
3D printed wheel with carbon lips.
God, look how all like separate.
They're insane. So it's just a massive car show with like the nicest of everything, with like the nicest wheels on every single car. It's pretty much like what HRE is all about. And then it's just a huge car meet. Yeah, I've never even seen that in person yet, and there it is. We out here paying tribute to Kevin's past life. Look at him, boys, just walking the glory road by himself.
This used to be me, dude.
This is you.
This used to be my crew.
This is still you.
No.
It never leaves. It's still in your blood.
Do you know how many times someone meets me, like almost every other time, they're like, dude, how's the Lexus? Where's the Lexus? I'm like,
whoa, that's fucked up.
Dude, it's been like, what, like fucking 4 years now?
No.
Yeah?
4?
Since that video?
Ladies and gentlemen, Kevin is wrong. Oh, since that video.
The video.
He's talking about making my Lexus loud.
If you know, you know.
That got like 1 million+ views when we didn't even know what a million views was.
No, dude, it's almost at like 3 million.
No, I think the Ferrari video is top. I don't know. Regardless.
But people know the Lexus, dude. The Lexus never died. She don't die.
I mean, it definitely like still looks good.
Yeah.
Like it didn't get like extinct, didn't start to feel old.
No.
If you know what I mean? It still kept its look. Kind of like the BRZ, Kev. Just a gorgeous car. A little nerve-wracking when I'm doing it. I'll film it next time we do it. So like I have like a schedule, and every like 15 minutes I hop on the mic. So I'm like, yo, don't forget our raffles, don't forget our tours, don't forget all that type of stuff. And I'm just like keeping everyone reminded here. But like in the back of my head, it's like part of my brain is like stay focused, and the other half's like freaking out. It's like don't fuck up, don't mispronounce a word, and it's stressful. It's very stressful. Hey, get out of my brotherhood.
Wide-bodied and bag.
Yeah, boys, I haven't told you yet, but I'm considering it. I'm considering wide bodying this thing. What? I'm coming. It could be us. What does the front look like? Can you run these fenders with like any front?
Huh?
Can you run these front fenders with a stock bumper? Because we have the Roush bumper. I don't know if it like...
No. Oh. I don't know, actually. I don't remember what it looks like.
I feel like you could. It looks good. I like it. It's very Liberty Walk-esque. Like it's very like...
I don't know what wide body kit that is because I don't know.
I'm going to take a wild guess, and I may get yelled at for this in the comments.
You probably will.
But I think it's the clenched kit.
Oh, you mean clinch?
Clinched, sorry. They're like one of the most popular ones I've seen for the Mustang.
You ain't rocking
I'm guessing.
You ain't rocking a sticker.
Yeah, no one's rocking a sticker. I'm not 100% sure, I'm just guessing.
I feel that.
Could be wrong.
Yeah.
Shout out to Curly in the sheepy race. Straight pipe before your date.
If you know, you know.
Boys, if I was to be honest, this is a car that I've been thinking about a lot lately.
It's a really good color.
Get rid of the 458. That's a harsh way of saying it. And find one of these.
Look at that. It's like really red, and it kind of just like ombres into like this.
I know.
Deep maroon.
And I know
that. See it on cam?
No, you can't. You never can.
Damn.
You never can. Look at this. This whole headlight bucket thing is all carbon. Fuck. Like this compared to the 5s. Oh, just look at the doors, bro.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm like falling in love with the 720 right now.
Wow.
And there's no, the interior is a lot nicer than the 570. Kevin and I were looking at the 570. Oh, coming right here. I just realized that we were kind of like mad dogging this guy's car to his face. Oh, I didn't know he was the owner. I was literally this owner was standing behind the car, and I was like, dude, it's just so ugly.
He was talking so much
I was just like, it's just such, I was like, I don't want to settle for a 570, but I don't want to pay for a 7. Oop, that was awkward.
It was awkward.
Like, it just looks like a Beetle.
But regardless, check these doors. That's what I'm looking at.
Oh, yeah, these do that.
They flex on them.
Yeah, just everything about this. It just looks way too expensive.
Way too expensive, TJ. That's why you buy crash one.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Very cool. Much like, what's this orange one? Is it another 570? Probably.
The thing is, their naming isn't really.
It is a 570.
It's just kind of confusing.
Yeah. I hope everyone out here is enjoying their time at the open house. I want to give you guys another reminder that we're going to have our second factory tour at 11 at the HRE showroom in the front.
Wow, that was impressive.
They got that on the mic.
Oh shit.
It was still on, you're like, wow, that's impressive.
Get on your brother. You gotta try on the turbos.
You gotta get an Aerocon first.
I don't think you would.
These wheels.
You can't be saying that. Dude, you can't be doing that on camera, bro. What are you doing?
I just spoiled your wheels.
No.
I haven't seen them yet.
I mean, if somebody has a very keen eye.
They're in the shop. Kevin's wheels are in the shop. You guys.
Can you stop?
They don't know.
Yeah, but you tell them to look. Drink your water, sir.
All right, boys, so we just got here. We haven't been seen yet, but Daily Driven just got here. I haven't met Damon, but Damon and I talked, and we wanted to meet up, but he just brought his twin turbo Aerocon, which is like the loudest color Aerocon ever. Give him a little peep. Ooh. We're out here in like their bread and butter. They're all over the exotic game. This is like their breeding grounds. They're here right now looking for mating to try and think of the next build they're gonna do. It's like, really, Ferrari? I have a stock Ferrari. An exhaust does not count.
It's such a cool car.
Eventually. Yeah, well, so we just finished the emceeing event, and I had to come up and say what's up to Damon. I don't know where he is now, but this is our first time meeting in person. We've like talked a bunch of times, but never actually. Oh my gosh, come to say what's up. I just wanted to get a photo of our cars together, and I wanted to get him over here to talk some shit. Oh boy.
He's a little louder than you, brother.
Who? That NSX or the?
No,
Oh, you mean color-wise?
yeah, she's loud, bro.
Yeah. I mean, coming from a red Ferrari, it's already kind of loud as it is. I don't know if I'd want a neon orange.
I think it's time to turbo.
No, you heard him. Sheepy doesn't do it. What they don't know is I tried to do a twin turbo kit from Sheepy, but he's like, it just doesn't work very well with the setup.
Really?
Yeah, I said the 458
don't do twin turbos.
the 458 does not like twin turbos. They said it's just better to keep it all NA, so that's what we did. I tried.
Wow.
I tried.
Time to sell.
Ain't gonna happen. Time to sell, brother. We ain't gonna sell. Dude, it was all like rainy this morning, and now it's like all super, super hot. Look at this. It's a Carrera GT. I've only seen like a few of these in person before, and to see this here is pretty cool. This is actually Damon's kid, so you guys don't know, it doesn't show this on the vlog. This is actually his two kids, his kid's best friend, and their neighbor. They all had to get together and hang out and really just enjoy the car scene. Probably shouldn't show that personal side of his vlog. We'll wait for him to come over here. Oh man. This is my Paul Walker dreams right now.
Have you even noticed that yet?
Oh man.
DJ.
Huh? What?
Have you even noticed you're sitting in Jet Li's car? Oh shit, he looks like Jet Li, don't he?
Damn, now I see it.
We called Kevin so that nobody asked for autographs.
Oh, dude, it makes sense. I believed it. Oh my gosh, holy moly. Oh my god. All right, what does this feel like? What is? I don't know if the parking brake. That's actually way longer than I thought it would be. It's weird because you have like a supercar interior and like feel. Yeah.
Whoa, dude, that's so weird that it's up there.
But like it's up here, and it's like why? It's like why? It's weird. It like makes my mind hurt.
Dude, the race pedal setup though.
Yeah, I know.
Floor mounted.
Dude,
everything.
I feel like I'm going bankrupt in this car.
Holy shit.
Like it's oof. Oof. Oof.
Oh, it's not it's a good oof.
It's a good oof, but man do I feel broke sitting in this car. well, Damon's gonna be here for the next 3 weeks, so we're planning on doing, well, he's planning to get me to do something dumb. Well, I haven't done a burnout yet. I haven't done a donut yet in the Ferrari. So I need to do that. I haven't done anything. Nothing. Zero. I don't have a spot.
That really made it sound like I don't watch your channel.
Well, I do. Okay, I try to be goody two shoes. Goody. I'm a good guy. I don't want to get in trouble. You got balls.
You were in a video of mine. That looked like you were doing 55 down the freeway.
That was probably the most scariest things in my life. Like, we were going with Curly, and I'm like, dude, we're about you. What? You tempted me. You almost got us in jail.
No, we were going 75.
Somebody said something about jail?
Hold on, I just said 55. This now sounds like a lie. Get on the program, Curly.
All right, 55. Let's do it over.
I actually never even posted that to my channel. That was just DDD exclusive.
Thank you for
it. Was, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, Kevin's late to his grandma's birthday, so I have to get him home, but we'll see you
very soon.
See, I'm gonna be at LNC all of like next couple days with this.
Like, you vlog the way I drive.
Yeah, okay, all right, boys.
Literally just flips it.
Say goodbye, we shall see him soon. Peace.